Hey, have you ever wondered how to build authority fast without Facebook ads? If you do this right and follow this video, you can make money really fast. Have you ever asked yourself how to build authority fast without Facebook ads? If you follow this video and do this, you're going to make money fast. So, hey everybody, I'm Paar, and in our videos we teach you how to dominate the internet, give you money-making ideas, and kiss your boss goodbye forever. So, sorry I don't have my bow tie on. I know I did the Bitcoin video and had my bow tie on, which is what I normally wear out as business. But in my videos, I like to be casual to give you transparency. So, I'm going to share the theory behind building a successful authority site. This way you can grow your business regardless of what's going on in the Facebook advertising world, and really leveraging the search engines and social media marketing to grow your audience and effectively grow your business. So now this video is going to really cover the core idea I've been thinking a lot about. And what it's really about, right, like every comedian, you know, every great marketer, you've got a kind of something that you're known for and you feel like you haven't been real clear on. And that's what I'm going to expand upon in a new free report that I'm going to offer to you and really give to you. So check out my website, jimpar.com. You can set up a free strategy session with me, but I'll have a link that it's going to pop up in there, and you can really dive into whatever you're looking for. So you can fill out, get access to different free things on there, and those things are really going to help you out. So let's get going now, and this is a real core essence of building authority, an authority site. And to me, it's the concept of being of service at a scale. Now, this is really merging a couple of ideas that I know and that you've heard me talk about before. But I want to break this down for you in a way that makes it digestible so that you'll understand the big picture and what's required from moving forward to grow a successful kind of authority-based website. And now the first part of that I phrase on in being of service, the goal in growing an authority website, and the only way, real way to make money online, I'm talking significant money online, like millions of dollars, true lifestyle, freedom, money, right? The only way to do things. And that is to be the service to an audience. So most people try to figure out their own niche, and they like a niche, can I make money in, and that's the incorrect way to approach it, because the question, what is the best way to go, is to look within yourself and think, okay, I have a unique experience, I have a passion in my life, and I've had unique work experiences, unique education, experiences, lifestyle, parenting. You know the environment. You grew up in it. Everything about you is 100% unique. So be yourself. Don't be somebody else. And out of that, you have something that you can help people with. You might not realize what it is because probably seems really simple, but there is something that you've got really good at over the years. So until at that point that other people have struggled with, when you find out what that is, you're going to share what you're good at helping people with and help this audience. So who are you searching for answers and searching on how to do things is really kind of the trick of being a service, right? So what the thing is for you, and I mean if you're a 10-year professor who's been working at the university system for 20 years and you're looking for an escape hatch, and your experiences and knowledge are going to be vastly different. If you're a 24-year-old guy who's been dominating at a certain video game for years and years, or if you're a 33-year-old girl who cooks vegan food for your pets, you're all about vegan food, pet food, you know? So whatever that is inside of you, you have to do on a regular basis. You're all about just getting started. So you look at what that audience is, how you can be a service to them. You identify who you want to be in that which service, and then you go and create the content, find out where and what that platform is, and then you go to those forums, Facebook groups that you're on, and go and be helpful, right? Literally in those Facebook groups. Don't be spammy, but there's different questions that you can create, and videos about creating blogs, about the answers that they might have. So there's no relevant Facebook group to that, then start your own Facebook group. So let's say, for example, you're a cancer survivor, and you let's say you're gone through chemotherapy, and it was really, really painful and challenging, and you just went through this yourself, and so you give the inside perspective of it, and you talk about it. You create a group, and you blog about it. So you really can help people out with that. I've got a friend that went through that, and she shares her experience personally with that. So it's just a way to get out there and really create a certain certainty about yourself. So I have a friend right now, he's looking for a niche to talk about. And I always say that you want to go into a niche that you're good at, or that you understand, or that you want to speak about and be passionate about for a long time. And then you create the blog content and videos, and you'll find the thing that you've been through, and you'll realize that people really need your help out there. So there's really ways to get out there and really make money doing this and living your passion and doing whatever you want whenever you want. So create those places, be the blog, be the YouTube channel. If there's already dozens of them, don't worry. When I started my channel, there was already hundreds of thousands of people out there, and I realized that as I grew, people liked me. They don't necessarily like certain people. So I'm able to have my niche in a space to be a service to. So being in that niche, you can actually, other people want to see different people out there. So if you have a speaking ability or whatever it is, or do a podcast. If you're not good on YouTube, do a podcast. If you like speaking on video, do YouTube. But there's ways to make money doing this. So there's AdSense that you can plug into your blog. There's ways to syndicate this out of there. But all you need is a laptop, and there's literally millions, if not billions, of people that are interested in what you're doing. So you're going to eventually attract that client or that audience and bring those people in. And that's how you make money. So eventually you're going to start out with a few, maybe 10, 20 subscribers. And then once you hit that plateau, all of a sudden you're just going to kick off, and it's going to be launch time, and everybody's going to be talking about you. So it's really the fact of doing what you're passionate about. Don't do it for the money. Do what you're passionate about, and realize that when you do it for the passion, the money will come after that. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I want to see you do what you're passionate about. Leave your comment below, and I'll let you know if I think that's a great idea, because I think anything you're passionate about is a great idea. But leave your comments below, subscribe to my channel, and I will give you as many tips as I can. And thanks for watching this video.